Gabby Cats! Welcome to another episode of the show where I make mini versions of things from Gabby's Dollhouse. Gabby and the Gabby Cats have so many cat-tastic adventures in the rooms of her dollhouse, and today is extra special because it's Cakey's birthday. Let's get tiny and get Cakey's kitchen ready for a big birthday party.
Cakey, we've got a big surprise for you in the kitchen. Come on.
Ooh, I do love surprises.
Happy birthday, Cakey!
Thanks!
To get this birthday bash started, we need sprinkle-rific kitty birthday decorations. Let's start with our kitty garland to put all over the kitchen. Cat-tastic! Now for some Cakey birthday balloons. Cakey loves sprinkles, so let's make these balloons full of color. And we can't forget to add balloons that look just like our birthday guest of honor. This Cakey balloon is worthy of a sprinkle party.
Sprinkle party!
Okay, now let's get these walls ready for a birthday party with some ameowsing decorations. First, we'll add some beads to the string. Now let's cut out heart shapes in different shades of pink and yellow to add to our garland. And of course, kitty shapes. These look cat-tacular. Let's put it all together and add it to the walls. This kitchen is looking pawsome. A birthday party can never have too many decorations, so let's make some garlands for the ceiling. First, let's add some beads. Then a cup. A few more beads. And a cute little heart to finish each one off. Cat-tastic! But no party is complete without a birthday cake. Let's make a cake for Cakey.
Cakey, check this out.
My birthday cake! It looks just like me. It's a Cakey.
First, we'll paint this small cup to create Cakey's body. Now let's mold this white clay to create Cakey's head. To create Cakey's cute little ears, we'll shape two small pieces at the top of the head like this. Cat-tastic! And for the final touch, Cakey's eyes and mouth. This Cakey looks possum. Can't forget the cake stand. I'm using the cap to a tube of toothpaste for my base. Crafty-rific.
Don't forget the sprinkles.
Go, Cakey! Go, Cakey!
Rainbow sprinkles!
And of course, everyone needs a birthday present.
We made you a super special present. Ta-da!
It's me! Made out of sprinkles?
Cakey knows that sprinkles make everything better. So let's finish this kitchen by adding sprinkles everywhere! It's a sprinkle party!
I sprinkled the wallpaper, the balloons, the decorations. Sprinkles just make everything better.
This is a sprinkle-rific birthday party. Happy birthday, Cakey!
Hit it!
Happy birthday, dear Cakey. We're making sure that your day is all that it can be. You'll see.
Come on! Who's the cat we all adore?
Cakey!
Sparky sweet with treats galore.
Cakey!
So cute, a hoot, the sprinkliest we've met. He's as cute as a kitty can get. Sing it!
Happy birthday, dear Cakey. We're making sure that your day is all that it can be. You'll see. Happy birthday, Cakey!
Wow, thanks everyone.
Thank you for helping me transform Cakey's kitchen into a cat-tastic birthday bash. I'll see you next time for some more crafting fun in Gabby's Dollhouse.